everyone, welcome to a Soul Tower prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This is the reading for the month of July 2020 for Virgos. Sorry for delaying your reading, Virgos. But one important thing, guys, is that if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to support my channel with the online tarot learning workshop, 10 days online tarot learning workshop and 15 days numerology workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, and fourth and the last thing is that if you want to book one-on-one personal reading related to the people who are into separation, okay, twin flame connections who are into separation, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, so yeah, so let's check it out what's going on with my Virgos into their romance, career, relationship and finance. Okay guys, all the details are given in the description box below and all these tarot cards are being given in the description box below. Okay, so yeah, I hope this resonates with you. Take whichever part resonates with you and leave the rest. Okay, so yeah. Romance, career, relationship and finance. Okay, positive reading, Virgos. Okay. Wow. Let me wow. You have a high energy. Okay. I think you are going through some sort of issues in between your head and heart. Okay. You have a very neutral energy, like confused energy, weird energy, depressed energy, sad energy. That might be because of retrograde season. Okay, and you will be feeling that the past, you want to move towards past, or past is trying to come back towards you, because this is going right now. Okay, that's the issue. Okay, so yeah, into your romantic love life, Virgos. Okay, you are trying to remove obstacles. Okay, you're trying to remove some sort of obstacles, thinking about your Queen of Cups, about your feminine energy, okay, or masculine, whosoever it is. You are thinking about your person. Okay, it feels like either you or your person wants to come towards each other. I think it is definitely you, because you are represented by Page of Swords. Like I think you want to travel towards someone or something. Okay, and you are ready to take an action. Okay, you are gaining a lot of maturity and you are just ready to move towards this person because you want it, you want this connection. I think you guys are into separation or in no contact or something like that. Okay, but yeah, some sort of moving forward towards each other energy is there. Okay, immature energy towards moving towards this person. Okay, for sure. Okay, let me clarify Page of Swords once. Guys, you are regaining your power back. You are understanding the things what you are supposed to do to move forward towards that person. Okay, and I think this is retrograde season, so I think if you were into separation with your partner or something like that, you might be getting a lot of dreams of that person, or you might be getting a feeling to move towards this person or take an action towards this person. Something like that is definitely there. Okay, but yeah, you are definitely into your own power. Okay, yes, that is your romantic love life. Now let's move to your career life. Okay, so you have a stuck energy. Okay, your you have a stuck energy when it comes to your pentacles, your money related thing. Okay, uh, you just feel like some sort of traveling, some sort of movement. Virgos, you want to travel somewhere, you want some sort of you know um, moving towards a new career, different career, you moving towards the same career but in a different strategy. So yeah, you have that feeling currently. Okay, and I think I think a lot of opportunities are coming into your way. Okay, but you are not seeing it right now. Okay, but at the right time a lot of new opportunities will be knocking at your door. Okay, opportunities which you must have left in the past, or else new opportunities might be coming towards you. Okay, but you have a very confused energy currently. I can get it, like I don't know why, but hangman is all about confused energy. Okay, and I feel that some sort of movement might be required to travel. Traveling might be included a strong communication with the boss, with the colleagues, with the team, with a new project. Some sort of this strong communication or strong traveling will give you a good result. Okay, if traveling is involved, then a new opportunity is knocking at your door. And if a strong communication might, or else a strong communication might be included for this new opportunity. Okay, that might be possible that you might be cracking a deal. Okay, with a new person, or collaborating with few industries, few people. Okay, that might be giving you a lot of opportunities. Okay, and yeah, that's beautiful. Into your career life, you had a stuck energy in the past, but now you are a lot of new opportunities will be waiting for you at the same time. Okay, yeah, I feel that in into your relationship, the people who are married but separated, the people who are into relationship, the people who are single, stay away from it. Okay. Okay, so the people who are married or separated, the people who are into relationship, for them this is like you are going through some internal transformation, major internal transformation. Okay, I think you and your partner both are going through some transformation, and you and your partner both want to be with each other, to spend time with each other, to stay with each other, to be around with each other. Okay, but and they want, I think you and your partner both want it, but both are not expressing it much. Okay, you guys are releasing the past karmic baggage. Okay, if you are into separation right now. Okay, only then. Okay, so this part is only for certain people, 1% or 2%. Okay, so both of you want to come towards each other. Okay, and either you left that person in the cold, or she left out you in the cold, or something happened. Okay, and now you both are transforming yourself individually at the same time, and you are gaining a lot of new perspective individually about each other. You both are going through some major rebirth. Okay, some karmic cycle is ending and major rebirth is happening. Okay, and you both are understanding what was bad into your relationship, what was not good, what things were not really were not good. Okay, so you are understanding, you are gaining a clarity about it. Okay, I think you will reconcile, you will reunite at a divine timing, because the star is all about divine timing. Okay, and it is the interference of the divine and the universe. Okay, so you will be releasing a lot of baggage when it comes to your um, issues between each other. Okay, you both are ready to release it, but it's just that who will make a move first. That's the problem into your relationship. But it will only happen at a divine timing. Like reconciliation or a reunion will happen at a divine timing, not before your timing. Like whenever you want, it will not happen. Okay, so understand that thing. Yeah, but yeah, you both are reaching to that level of spirituality where no one will you both will be at the same page if you were not before. Okay, that is there. But yeah, past is trying to come back. Okay, Virgos. Okay. Okay, so and for the people who are single, a new love might enter into their life. For a marriage commitment might be there, might be coming into your life soon. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so the people who are into your finances, okay, let's talk about your finances. Guys, you were holding back before when it comes to your finances, and you were really stuck up and you were waiting with for your finances. I think right now also a few of the people have a stuck up energy, so I feel that your money is stuck somewhere. Okay, and you are holding on to your finances a lot, thinking about it, feeling sad about it. Okay, but do not worry, there will be a timing coming soon, maybe in the month of August or September. You will be taking an action towards moving forward, because your money will come out at the right time. You will be regaining your power back, you will be taking an action towards it, you will be feeling very enthusiastic. Okay, so yeah, you will be taking an action towards moving forward, and that will give you a lot of opportunity. Whatever money was stuck up, that will be coming back. Okay, it's just that you have to move forward into your life, and you have to regain your power back, like strength, courage, you have to take back. Okay, and if there are some manipulative people around you, so just be aware of it. If is some politics going on, and if you have some sort of disappointment related to few people into your office, into your business, okay, so just stay away or be aware of it, because those are not the right people, okay, for you. So like manipulation is going on around you. Okay, so just be aware of it. Okay, into your financial situation. Okay, guys, if you are dealing with some sort of legal law issues, court cases or something like that, no, you will be victorious with that, so do not worry about it. Okay, some sort of court case will might be, few of the Virgos might be dealing with a court case as well. Okay, so yeah, so do not worry about it. Okay, so these are the two messages. Okay, so the first message is temperance. Okay, so temperance is all about being patient enough, waiting for the divine timing. You are going through some internal healing right now. Okay, the healing is not completed right now. That the healing will actually, when the healing will complete, it will really help you out to reach to that level of a spiritual awakening, where you can understand the people around you, you can understand the life around you, you can understand what's the purpose of your life. Okay, so yeah, you are being patient enough, and also you are going through some healing. Okay, the world is all about ending a karmic cycle, ending a situation, ending up a karmic cycle, ending of something. Okay, it also includes traveling as well. Okay, so you already had a traveling card before, so some sort of traveling or a movement might take place for you, and if not that, then some sort of a karmic cycle is ending. Okay, for you. like if your things were stuck up, those things are coming to an end. If your money was stuck up, those things are coming to an end. If the people who were married, or who were into relationship but separated, so you guys might be reconciling, okay. And if there were people who were waiting for their marriage things and all, so new opportunities will be coming. That cycle is ending, that means new beginning is coming soon into your life, okay. So just wait for the right time. Karmic cycle, when karmic cycle ends, no, I think most of the things will start happening which were not happening from so many years, so many months, so many weeks, okay. So yeah, do not worry about it. Major transformation, major changes are happening with you guys. Major, like it's on a universal, on different level only, okay. So yeah. Okay, so we'll be picking up. Okay, we got like, wow, whatever I said is happening right now. So number two is all about you are balancing a situation, your personal, your inner self, your outer self, okay. You're trying to balance things within you because a transformation is going on. So you are feeling a lot of confused energy, weird energy, but at the same time you are balancing your emotions internally as well as externally as well, okay, within yourself. The second one is friendliness. Two is all about juggling between two choices, two connection, two directions, okay. So sometimes really you feel confused a lot about your life, about life in general, about two direction, two decisions, two people, two situations, okay. So this is all about juggling, okay. Major rebirth is happening. See what I said, rebirth card appeared right now also in your tarot deck, okay. So you are going through some major rebirth. That karmic cycle is ending and a new beginning is happening for you guys, okay, in the month of July. This cycle will complete between 29th of July to 31st of July, if 31st is there in the month of July, otherwise 1st of August, okay. And now new beginning will start happening in the month of August, okay. August will be a new life, new positivity, new aspirations, new emotions, okay. So yeah. Nine is all about wish fulfillment, ending something, beginning something, taking a leap of faith, taking a risk towards something or someone, and risking yourself and taking a risk with for that new beginning, okay. New life, new beginning, everything new, everything is starting from zero, okay, from scratch, start from scratch thing, okay. So see, there are people around you who are playing politics, okay. So just be aware of those people around you, into your business, into your career, into your job, okay. So politics is going on around you, just be aware of those people. You might not be recognizing it at first, but just be aware of those people around you guys, okay, Virgos. Yeah. So yeah, let's pull out few healing messages for you guys, okay. Oh my god. So yeah, okay. Second and the third one. Okay. Three healing messages for you guys, Virgos, for healthy self-esteem, okay. Increasing my wealth is a part of my willingness to grow, change, take risk, and be open to all aspects of my soul, okay. So if you are restricting one part of your life, do not do it, okay. Just be open towards it, okay. The healing message for healthy love. A living relationship has a life of its own. Some relationships last forever and others are meant to only serve a need during a specific stage of our lives. The healing message for sadness. I now have an opportunity to move through my fears of failures and can give birth to satisfying work, wealth, and relationships, okay. So this is all I have for you, Leos, for Virgos, okay. So I hope you like this reading, I hope this resonates with you, and kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, okay. Kindly share these readings, okay. and thank you so much guys. Okay, bye bye.